Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheri and I am a cash budgeter here on YouTube. I use a zero-based cash budgeting method, so I know where every dollar from my paycheck is going, and it is cash stuffing day. And today we're going to be stuffing my second paycheck for the month of August. The amount that we are stuffing today is $595. Set that aside and we will count the money to make sure we have it all. I don't know why I always press the off button when I'm trying to turn it on, but hey, genius is over here. Okay, so we have 51, 52, 5300, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, which brings us to 595. We're good. All right, so let's get into this. We are going to start with my cash wallet. This is a Moterm A7 Luxe. I believe it's in the color Stone. I do have a video on my channel where I unbox this and set it up, so if you're interested in watching that, I'll link it in the description. Okay, I do have a little bit of change today, so we're gonna pull out my change, my coin bank that doesn't work. Oh, no, now it wants to work, but there's definitely more than $5.40 in here. I just had a little bit this week. So that's definitely inaccurate, but I got a little bit in here. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the other categories. I still have $20 left in gas, so this is going to roll over. Y'all, I'm on E. But I purposely waited so that I could keep this $20 for rollover, and I'll be getting gas on my way to work. And I'm also putting another $20 into gas so that I can get gas when I'm on my way to work. All right, groceries is getting $100 this week. So there's 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. Because groceries are getting more and more expensive, and even though it is just me and my daughter here, it's out of control. Okay, Maeve is getting $5 in her fund. That's my daughter's cat. Okay, home, we're rolling this over also, and this week home is getting $10. Okay, and I have $5 left in miscellaneous, so that is going into rollover also. And then I'm putting another $5 back in there for the week. I believe I have some ones also from groceries. I do. I have $1, $2, $3, and $4 that is going into rollover. I also have a receipt that I will scan into my Fetch Rewards app. I think I have another one somewhere around here. But I'm going to scan this in my Fetch Rewards app so that I can get some points. My referral code is down below. If you use my referral code to sign up and you scan your first receipt, you will get 4,000 points and I will get 4,000 points. So we both win. All right, so now we're gonna move on to my expenses. First up in my sparkly black expense binder is rent, and rent is getting $325 this week. So there's 51, 52, 50, 320, and 5. So it now has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 20, 40, 45, and 50. And like I said last time, I always keep $100 from my rent from my first paycheck of the month in the bank, kind of to use as a buffer. So I actually have $650 for rent. All right, next is car payment. Car payment is getting $65 as usual. 20, 40, 60, and 5. So car payment now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, and 30. $130. Okay, in my Amazon Prime envelope, this is also for Walmart Plus, but I'm not sure I'm gonna keep Walmart Plus. So I have $150 here for my next Amazon Prime payment, which isn't due until November. So it's 50, 1, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And I'm gonna add this 5. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the Walmart Plus. Maybe I'll keep Instacart. I don't know. The problem with Walmart Plus is that there's never any slots available, like at all during the week. So I don't really see the point of having it if I can never have my groceries delivered, because that was the reason why I signed up for it in the first place. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just keep Instacart, or maybe there's something else I could try. If you guys know of anything else, then let me know. All right, so I technically have $155 in here now. My Target card is being paid electronically. Geico and T-Mobile will be transferred to my other account so they can be deducted electronically. Subscriptions is electronic, and all my debt payments for the week are also electronic. So now we're gonna move on to my sinking funds. All right, and first up is my holographic yellow, aka gold binder. I think it's gonna stay like that. All right, first up is vacation, and this week vacation is getting $5. Oh, these new binders. Okay, so there's 5, 10, and 15 in vacation now. Next is savings. Savings is getting $5 as well. Pretty much everything is getting 5. So savings now has 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. Christmas is getting $10. I did already send some of this on a gift for my daughter, so there's a lot missing. There's $100 missing from here because I did buy her something already. Okay, so there's 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40 in Christmas now. Car maintenance is $5. 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Ugh, I hate seeing all these low amounts, but it's okay, we can build them back up. Okay, next is birthdays. Birthdays is getting 5. So it now has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. 170 in birthdays. Emergency is also getting $5. So it now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, next is health. Health is getting 5. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And last in this binder is Fun Money, and Fun Money is getting 5, so it now has 10. Okay. All right, now moving on to my pink holographic binder. Okay, first is clothes, and clothes is not getting anything, but it does have 5. All right, next is beauty. Beauty is getting $5. Ugh. Okay, so beauty now has 10. All right, Hawaii is not getting anything, but it does have 5 still in there. Furniture is not getting anything and it's empty. Kendra is getting $5 in her envelope. So she now has 15. And my debt envelope is getting $5 as well. Do you guys want to see a video about my debt story? Because I can make one. I can show you like what I'm working with is in terms of debt, because I did ask if you guys thought I should do bankruptcy, but it would help if you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let me know if you want to see that video. Okay, so debt has $5, $10, and $15. Okay, tattoos is not getting anything, and it is empty. Nothing in online orders. Okay, so going into rollover this week is $20, $25, $26, $27, $28, and $29. I'm not going to be able to finish my $5, $500 savings challenge. I need to take the money to go school shopping for my daughter, and I'm going to have to do that before I actually get to the $500 mark. I'll keep crossing it off on here, but yeah, I'm going to need to take what I do have and take her school shopping. And for the rollover money, all the 5s do go in my $5 savings challenge, the 1s go in the $1 savings challenge, and anything above a 5 is going to go right into my debt envelope to make debt payments, additional debt payments for the month. All right, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any kind of video that you want to see from me, something you want to know about me. Just let me know, okay? All right, thanks. Bye, guys.